In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with AI in GoDaddy, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or looking to establish an online presence for a project, this guide will make the process seamless and efficient. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing GoDaddy into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see the GoDaddy website appearing at the top of your search results. Click on the link to head straight to the GoDaddy homepage. Now that you're on the site, it's time to log in. If you've already got an account, simply enter your username and password. But if you're new to GoDaddy, don't worry. Creating an account is quick and straightforward. You'll just need to provide some basic information and confirm your email. Once you're all logged in and ready to go, look for the option that says Set up a free website. This is where the magic begins. Clicking here will lead you to a page that asks what features your website needs. It's okay if you're not sure about these details right now, because there will be options to adjust and customize later on. What's great about this step is that it encourages you to think about what your visitors will want to see. Do you need a blog, a shopping cart, or maybe a contact form? Next, you'll need to give your website a descriptive name. Choose something that clearly represents your brand or your project. This name will be part of what draws people in, so make sure it's something relatable and easy to remember. Now we come to the exciting part where AI steps in to assist you with building your site. Under the section titled, Tell us a little about your business, you'll find a field to describe what your website is all about. Go ahead and write a brief description here. Based on what you provide, the AI will tailor a website template that's aligned with your specific needs, combining style with functionality. With the AI-generated template complete, you're now ready to enter the website builder. This is your chance to get creative and customize the design to reflect your brand's personality. Feel free to tweak the layout, add images, or alter text to make everything just perfect for your vision. And finally, once you've set everything exactly the way you want it, it's important to preview your website. Double-check how it looks, not only on computers, but also on mobile devices. When you're satisfied with the result, hit Publish, and voila, your site is live for the world to see. Congratulations, you've just built a website using AI with GoDaddy in a matter of minutes. This tool empowers you to create a professional-looking site without the hassle of extensive technical know-how. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new online space.